Good morning, children. Let's start function in Python. What are function in Python? What are their scope and parameter passing in Python? So let us see the definition of function in Python. A function is a block of organized reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. Python gives you many built-in functions like print function, but you can also create your own function. These functions are called user-defined function. It means in Python there are two types of function you have to use. Number one is built-in function, other is user-defined function. User-defined functions are created as per the user need by the user. Now let us see rules to define a function in Python. Point number one, function blocks begins with the keyword def, def, followed by the function name and parenthesis. Point number two, any input parameter or argument should be placed within these parentheses. You can also define parameters inside these parentheses. Point number three, the first statement of a function can be an optional statement. The docstring of the function or docstring. Docstring is written in double quotes in the function body. Point number three, the code block within every function starts with a colon and is indented. It means the first line of function definition. After writing first line, when you press enter, automatically next line will be indented. It means you are writing function body or function block. Next point, the statement return exits a function, optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no argument is the same as return none. At the end of the function, if return statement is used, it will send you back to the caller of the function. Return or return none is same. Let us see the syntax of the function. You have to define a function using def statement. Def function name, then parameter list, then first is line of the function body is docstring. Then next is function suite. Function suite means body of the function. Then you have to write return statement or return statement with expression. By default, parameters have a positional behavior, and you need to inform them in the same order that they were defined. Let us see example. This is simple example how to define a function and how to call a function. Let us run this program. Open your IDLE Python. Create a new file. You have to save this file with extension .py. You have to type your program here in this window, IDLE window. First you have to write def, then you have to write function name, suppose my fun. Then inside this you have to define a parameter, suppose it is str. Then if you want to write docstring, you have to write docstring here. This function prints the str. Then double quotes close, then you have to write another line of the body of function. Here you have written print, then that is str, it will print the str, then return. Then from here main program starts from here. You have to write main program here, you have to call this function in this area. Function name is myFun. Then you have to pass parameter here, suppose computer science Python. Then close this, then run this file. Before running, Python will save the file, give file name to your file, it will take extension .py, then automatically it will run your program. See, whatever you have passed as parameter will be printed by the function. Let me explain what is happening here. First of all, the cursor will come here and it will execute this function myFun with parameter computer science Python. This data will go in str, from here it will be printed, then again control will come back to this main and program will end. In this way it is running. Suppose if user want to enter some text parameter and want to pass that text to function, and function will print that matter. In this case you have to define a variable first. Suppose var1 equal to, you have to write input function to take input from user, input, enter a string, then close, then you have to pass this string here, that is var1. Then execute the function. What you will get, whatever you will enter using input, that will be printed here. Let us see. It says enter a string. I entered here KV Mathan then enter. Same KV Mathan is printed here. Now I hope you understand how it is working, how to create a simple function with parameter. That's all for today class. Next class we will see pass by reference versus pass by value in Python. Thank you very much.